Hello class 8, welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 2.6 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. In question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we have to solve the equations. Question number 1, 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. So we will write down here 1 for cross multiplication. So 8x minus 3 with 1 is equal to 2 multiply with 3x. So 8x minus 3 we have to multiply with 1. So we will get the same is equal to 2 3s are 6x. Now separating variable parts from constant part. So minus 3 is equal to 6x. We will transpose 8x from left to right. So it will become minus 8x. So minus 3 is equal to 6x minus 8x. So we get minus 2x. Now minus minus cancel out. 3 upon 2 is equal to x. So value of x is 3 upon 2. Answer. Question number 2. 9x upon 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Same as previous question, write down 1 here, cross multiplication, then 1 with 9x multiply. After that 15 will be multiplied with 7 minus 6x. So 9x is equal to 15 7s are 7 5s are 35, 7 1s are 7, 7 3 10, 105 minus 15 6s are 90x. So separating this variable part from this constant part. So transposing this 90x from right to left. So it will become plus 105. So 9x plus 90 is 99x is equal to 105. Transposing 99 from left to right. So reciprocal 105 upon 99. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So x is equal to 35 upon 33. Answer. Question number 3. Z upon z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. The first step we have to cross multiply. So 9 z and 4 with z plus 15. This. So 9 into z, 9z is equal to 4 first with z, after that with 15. So we get 4z plus 15 4s are 60. So transposing this 4z from right to left, it will become minus 4z is equal to 60. So 9z minus 4z we get 5z is equal to 60. So z is equal to 60 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So value of z is 12. Answer. Question number 4. 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. The first step we have to cross multiply. So 5 will be multiplied with 3y plus 4 and this minus 2 will be multiplied with 2 minus 6y. Now, removing bracket. 5 3s are 15y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus minus plus 6 2s are 12y. So, separating variable parts from constant part. So 15y transposing 12y from right to left. So it will become minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20. 15y minus 12y, 3y is equal to minus 4 minus 20 minus 24. So y is equal to minus 24 upon 3. 3 8s are 24. Y is equal to minus 8. Answer. Question number 5. 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. So first we have to cross multiply. So 3 will be multiplied with 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 will be multiplied with y plus 2. So first we have to simplify, remove bracket. So 3 will be multiplied with first 7y, after that with 4, and this 4 will be with y, and after that with 2. So 3 7s are 21y plus 3 4s are 12 is equal to minus 4 into y minus 4y minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Now transposing, minus 4y from right to left, 21y plus 4y is equal to minus 8. This 12 will become here minus 12. We have already learnt. 21y plus 4y is 25y is equal to minus 8 minus 12 is minus 20. So y is equal to minus 20 upon 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. So answer is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. So in this question, we have to find out present ages of Hari and Harry. Hari, Harry. So let the common ratio between their ages be x. Suppose this is common. Then the present age in ratio 5:7. So 5x, 7x. After that, in question, 4 years from now. It means after 4 years. So we have to add 4 years to Hari's age and then to Harry's age. So 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. So this is years, years, again years, years, and 5x plus 4y, years, and this is again. So our question is 5x plus 4, because their ages are in ratio, it means 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4, and after 4 years the new ratio is 3:4. It means 3 upon 4. So this is our equation and we have to find out ages of Hari and Harry. So coming to statement part. Let the common ratio between their ages be x. Therefore, Hari's age and Harry's age will be, here we have discussed 5x and 7x. So 5x years and 7x years respectively. So after 4 years, we added here 4 years from now, their ages will be here 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. So 5x plus 4 years and 7x plus 4 years respectively. According to our question, we have already made this equation. According to question, 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 upon 4, and we have to solve this equation. The first step, we have to cross multiply here. So 4 will be multiplied with 5x plus 4. So 5x plus 4 is equal to 7x plus 4. So 4 multiply 5x. So we get 5 4s are 20. So 20x plus 16 is equal to 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. So transposing variable parts at one side and at right side all constant part. So 20x minus 21x is equal to 12 minus 16. Now 20x minus 21x, we get minus x is equal to 12 minus 16 minus 4. Minus minus cancel out, we get x is equal to 4. Now here we had 5x and 7x. So substituting x in 5x and 7x. So Hari's age is equal to here 5x, 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20 years. Now Harry's age 7x, 7 into 4, substituting here value of x, 7 4s are 28 years. Therefore ages of Hari and Harry are 20 years and 28 years. Answer. Question number 7. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. So here we know that rational number is numerator upon denominator. So here numerator we take as x. According to question, this is the denominator is greater than numerator by 8. So it will be x plus 8. Now second part is we have to add 17 in numerator which is given in our question. So we are adding 17 in numerator, and why adding? Because this is increasing. If decreasing, then we have to subtract. So denominator minus 1 because it is decreased by 1. So the result obtained is 3 upon 2. So x plus 17 upon 8 minus 1, x plus 7 is equal to 3 upon 2. And we got this equation and we have to solve this. From here we will get value of x, after that numerator and denominator, and final answer we get as rational number. So coming to statement part. Let the numerator of the rational number be x. Therefore, its denominator will be x plus 8. Here we have done. Now, the rational number will be this one, x upon x plus 8. According to our question, this we have got x plus 17, x plus 7 is equal to 3 upon 2. The first step we have to cross multiply. So 2 will be multiplied with this x plus 17 and 3 will be multiplied with x plus 7. So this 2 will be multiplied with x first, after that with 17. 3 will be multiplied with x, after that with 7. So 2x plus 17 to the 34 is equal to 3x plus 3 7 the 21. Now transposing 3x from right to left and 34 from left to right. So 2x minus 3x is equal to 21 minus 34. So minus x is equal to 4, minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus minus cancel, x is equal to 13. It means this numerator is 13, x which is 13, and denominator, what is denominator? X plus 8. X plus 8 means x is 13 plus 8. 8 and 3, 21. 13 plus 8 is 21. So rational number we had to find out in question. Rational number equal to 13 upon 21. Answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.